In this video, I will show you how to create an opt-in form on Getresponse, just like this one here. What's up marketers, Ammar here, and if you want to build and grow an email list, you will have to use an opt-in form just like this one to collect your subscribers' email addresses. And usually you put the email opt-in form on a landing page just like this one. This landing page might be on a WordPress website or a static HTML page. But before you can create an opt-in form like this one here, you will have to create a list. So if you don't already have a list, I will create one for this example first, and then I will create the opt-in form and embed it into the landing page, and I will use this example here. Before I start, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and or dropping a comment or question below. It will be very appreciated. Okay, now since we are doing two creations here, we'll be creating a list first and then we will be creating the opt-in form. And I wanted to show you the pages that we will need. So for the first step, creating an email list, we will need two pages: the landing page and the thank you page, where we deliver the lead magnet promised on the landing page. So I already uploaded these pages here to my server. So this is the main website, and here is a subfolder that I created for this example. MMO stands for Make Money Online. This is the index file or the landing page that I just showed you before, and this is the download page. Now for the next step, the second step, we will be creating an opt-in form, and for that we will need one page that is called the bridge page. So the three pages are here on my computer, 1, 2, 3. This is the images folder. Well, don't worry about this one. It's just to put the materials of this video I'm recording right now. And on the server, on the website itself, I have here the index page without the opt-in form. I have here the bridge page, and I have here the thank you page or the download page, where I am delivering the lead magnet and also giving more value to those who subscribe. So the links I just showed you are here. This is the link for the download page, and this is the link for the bridge page, and this is the link for the index page or the main landing page, where I will be putting the web form here. And to upload those pages to the server, I use FileZilla, which is an FTP software, a free FTP software. So all I had to do is drag and drop these files from my computer here to my server here inside the subfolder that is called MMO. Now let's head to Getresponse and create a list. So once on the dashboard, you create here, you click here on lists here, and then you click the button create a list. And here we have to give a name to our list. And let's say, for example, let's call it MMO. I will not use the capital letters. So here's the name I put for this new list, and it has to be unique: MMO-list building-gr for Getresponse. And I will try if it's taken or not. So it's not taken, and I just created a new list called MMO list building gr. Now I need to go to these points here and go to the settings of this list. So I click here on settings, and I will give some information. So these are just for you. The name of the list, the title of the list, and the description. You can put whatever you want here. Nobody will see this. And then the language is English. If you want to put a logo for this specific list, you can do that. If you can put your own domain name here, you can do that, but this is not important. This is just for you. What is important is here on the subscriptions tab here. So here you need to do one important thing here, that is the double opt-in. So you need to turn this on if you want your subscribers to double opt-in and you avoid all like spam complaints. You need to do this, and you need to do this for the web subscription and also for the API. Remember when I told you about Warrior Plus? Also those, if they subscribe through Warrior Plus, they will need to reconfirm their email address by clicking on the confirmation link. Another very important thing is the confirmation page, or call it download page or thank you page, where the subscriber gets access to his lead magnet. And this is exactly the page we prepared before, and it's called the download page. So I will put custom URL and bring the download URL here. So I will go here, grab this URL for the download page and take it and paste it over there in the form. Alright, good. Now unsubscribe and consent details, unsubscribe success, etc. I don't worry about these. The most important thing is the download page. And then I will click on save subscriptions. Save subscription settings, and there is another tab here called confirmation message, but I will leave it here as default. This is the subject line for the confirmation email. It will say please confirm your subscription, and this is the email address where it will go from. This is the email address from my domain name, and this is the reply address as well. We just created the new list, and we know that it is a double opt-in, and also we gave it the download link so that the subscribers will access their download once they are subscribed. And now we're going to create the web form, or the opt-in form. So we head to the menu on the top and go to here, forms and surveys, and then we want to create the button here, create a form. And after that we will see some templates that we can choose from here, and there are some categories at the left hand side where you can choose from. So let me take the free download category and see what it will give me. So I will take just one simple, and then I will optimize it and customize it myself. So use this template, wait a little bit for it to load. I like this guy, by the way. And then I want to remove the name field. I don't need it, I just need the email address field. So I click on this blue button here to remove, and then of course I can customize the layout. So I will make it a little bit smaller. I will take this button here, this field here, put it in the middle, play with the button and everything. What I want to do is bring this text here and customize it a little bit. When you double click on it, you can change the size. You can also change the color if you want to turn it to red, for example. Let's keep it blue, and then just drag it and drop it. Alright, so you can also change the button, make it bigger. You can change what's inside of it. You can add something like click here to download now. If you want to change the color, you can go here. This is the color of the button. A red background would be good. And also there is the border. When you hover over the button, you will see green and the border is white. You can change these as well. Multiple things you can change here, but for the sake of this example, I will just keep it like it is right here. I will turn the background to transparent so it will match the template of the landing page. So click here and then go to background and then click on this button here that says transparent, and then okay, now I have transparent background. Now here is the most important thing that you need to do is go to settings here, click on the settings of this form, and what you want to do actually is go here where it says choose a thank you page. Actually, this is not the thank you page we spoke about earlier, but this is the bridge page. So when someone puts his email address and submits it, he will go to this bridge page telling him please go ahead and confirm your opt-in by opening the email we just sent you. And I actually made that page, and this is it. So I want to put the URL of this page as a confirmation or thank you page for the form. So get the URL and go choose the thank you page, and then click on custom, and then just paste the URL of the bridge page right here, and then you can click on save. If I go back now to the settings, here is the bridge page configured already. One other important thing is that you need to put this at 01 like this. These are actually the autoresponder series that you have already prepared to go out to this list here. So you go to the main menu, you create some autoresponders, like for example day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, etc. You save them, and then when you come here you need to put this one here as day 01. So everyone that subscribes to this list will receive those automatic autoresponders every day or on a preset schedule. But we are not there yet. Now we are just creating the form. So now what I want to do is save and then publish the form so it will be accessible. And this is the code of the form that I need to put or embed into the landing page. So I just copied the form. I can click also here, and then I will go to my HTML editor, find the index page, which is this one. And by the way, this is just a picture, so I'm going to remove this picture here and then put these X's here so I know where exactly the form goes. And then I go to the source tab of this page, find the X's and replace them with the code I got from Getresponse. Now I'm going to save. And if now I upload this page again to my server, refresh it on the browser, I am supposed to see the form. So let's do that. Here is the FTP application, and I want to actually upload this file here. I upload it. It will say that it already exists. I will say override it, and then I will go to my web browser and refresh that page and see what happens. So this is the page, and refresh it. It is loading, and here we go. This is the form we just created. So if someone, you know what, let me just test it for you. So I'm going to put the email address, click on this button here. It says that I'm already subscribed. That's true. I'm already subscribed to other lists. So let's just put any address like this, click on it. You'll be able to test it because I will leave the links to these pages in the description below. You'll be able to test it. So I just entered an email address, I clicked OK, and then I am on the bridge page where I'm reminding the subscriber to go to his email address and click on the confirmation link that it was sent. And by the way, you can put some promotion here, but not a lot. And since that wasn't a real email address, I'm not going to find that lead or that subscriber on the list because nobody will confirm that, but you will be able to test it later. So here is a quick recap of what we did in this list building tutorial. We prepared the needed pages, 3 of them to be exact: the landing page, the bridge page, and the download page or thank you page where we deliver. And we went to Getresponse. We created a brand new list, and the most important thing in this creation was given the download page link. This is very important. And then we went ahead and created this web form here, as you can see, and we took the code of that form. I can come here to these points and copy the code, copy it, and then we went to our HTML editor and we inserted the code in the right place, and then we save the page, upload it again, and now when we refresh the page, we have our form appearing at the bottom of the page. So this was it for this tutorial, guys. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comment section below, and I wish you a great day.